I think this is a beer that calls for an impromptu review. Public House Revelation Dry Stout. I must admit, I was not impressed with the artwork on the can, but like you can never judge a book by its cover, you cannot judge a beer by its can. Check out the head on that beer. Gorgeous head on the beer. Look at the color of that beer. Look at that. It is dark, and it lets you know that those dark malts that they used in that are present. Give you a quick shot of the side of the can. I can't turn it too much. I don't want to spill it. It is a dry stout. It is made with dark malts. And I must tell you, the malts they used in this beer are superb. Don't let the can fool you. This is a beer that if you like stouts, if you like a beer with a lot of malted flavor, you have got to try. I tell you what, you would swear that they used a little bit of chocolate and coffee in this. They they list the flavors in this beer as chocolate and coffee on their website, and then they tell you that they didn't add either, and they're not joking. It's all in the malts. It's all in those dark malts that they use in this. The flavor is fantastic. Those dark malted grains are really worked to perfection. Coffee and chocolate. That's what it has in it. You can taste it from the moment it hits your lips to the moment you drink it. It is a recommend. Public House Revelation Dry Stout. Don't let the can fool you. This is good shit. Cheers.